Good morning, friends, and welcome in my channel Sunny Classes. Today I'm going to unbox the book of mathematics, Fundamental Mathematics for JEE and Advanced, written by Sanjay Misra, who has done BTech from IIT Varanasi. This book is the best book for the preparation of JEE and Advanced, and I want to prefer you all to read this book because if you want to take basic concepts of mathematics and you want to uh, encroach all the fundamental terms of mathematics which is being asked in JEE and Advanced, and this is the recent edition 2020 and 21. This book has given the brief explanation of every topics. As you can see, the first topic of this book is fundamental mathematics, which has covered all the topics which we studied that we have already studied in class 10, and it consists of sets, set theory, uh, and many more things like LCM and many basic concepts we have already studied in class 10. And the chapters exponential logarithm, which belongs to class 11. uh, this has been given in this book in class 2 in chapter 2, and third chapter is sequence and progression, fourth one is inequalities, fifth one is a theory of equation, and sixth is permutation and combination, or seven binomial theorem, and the last one is infinite series. The most good thing for this book is that this book has given every fundamental things of mathematics that you all should know for getting a better concept in mathematics, such as this book has started the first chapter of fundamental mathematics with certain symbols that we frequently use in mathematics, like therefore, because, since, double integration, single integration. As you can see, this is the whole chart of all symbols that we frequently use in class 11, and this has given a basic introduction about all the symbols. And this first chapter is whole consist of those all topics which we have already studied in class 10, and second chapter is exponential logarithm, and and this book has covered this chapter exponential logarithm also with a very good explanation. This has even touched very simple things, and this book mainly comes in 7 sets, and this is the first set of all these books. And the basic and the most important thing of this book is also that it has given the every brief solution of each and every questions, that so that you can ensure your answer very well. This is the last cover of this book, and these are the set of 7 set of books, and out of which one of them I have bought, and I have bought this book from Flipkart facility, and I bought at rupees 514. Thank you very much, and I would like to prefer you all to study this book.